Hi, welcome back to another lesson, and today's topic will be pedal points or pedal note. A pedal note is basically the following thing. As a beginner, you naively tend to choose the bass of a chord to match the letter of the chord. So if you're playing an F major chord, you're going to choose the bass to be F. If you're playing a C major chord, you're going to choose the bass to be C. This is regardless of the inversion of the chord. Now, a pedal point means keeping the bass constant while changing the chords in your right hand. And to illustrate this, I'm going to play three chords, a C, F, G, and a C. I'm going to do it twice. The first time, I'm going to change the bass with the chords. So I'm going to play a C, an F, a G, and a C. And this matches the chords that I play with the right hand. And the second time, I'm going to keep the bass constant at C. So listen to the difference. Versus the purpose of a pedal point, as I hope this example has made partially clear, is to create a sort of tension in your music. So you can see, for example, that as I was playing my G chord, the bass didn't fit any of the notes in my chord. And yet it sounded correct, because the G resolved itself finally to the C. I'm going to give you two examples of how this might be used in actual music, and hopefully you'll find ways of expanding upon this and including it in your own songwriting and playing. So the first example, I'm going to transpose my keyboard just. First example will involve playing these big chords that can be used as an intro or as a break in a song. So here I was holding down the C pedal note, which was also the root of my scale, the C major scale. In the right hand I was playing a C chord, a G chord, a B flat chord, and an F chord. This is another C chord in an inversion. As a second example, I'm going to once again transpose my keyboard and change my sound a bit. And this example borrows from the TV shows of the 80s, where many of the themes were created by holding down this pedal point and making a sort of a rhythm out of it, and then improvising or playing the melody with the right hand. It might sound something like this. Obviously, it would be more sophisticated, but this would be the sort of basis or main idea they'd build around. A sort of rhythm going on with the pedal note. I hope these examples have given you some ideas of how to use this idea in your own music, and I'll see you next time.